students. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the transformation of sentences, part 2. The first topic that we are going to learn is the formation of WH questions. A question is that form of a sentence which seeks confirmation or some information with regard to place, time, manner, reason, etc. Some common words used to seek information are what, when, where, why, how, whose, which, how much, or how many. These are few WH questions. We also include how into it, which we usually use to ask questions when we want to have information or a confirmation about a place, time, manner, reason, etc. And these words, when we use, we also end the sentence with a question mark to show that this is a question. The WH type questions are divided into two forms. The one is the interrogative pronouns, which are who, what, whom, whose, and which. Example, he announced that he was going to be a doctor. When we are asked to frame a WH question to get the underlined part as an answer, the answer here will be what did he announce? And to that, you will get the underlined part as an answer. That is, he announced that he was going to be a doctor. Second, Dimple broke the glass. Who broke the glass? Dimple broke the glass. Third, the Queen of Violets saw by her side the converted violet. Whom did the Queen of Violets see by her side? The converted violet. Fourth, my boy is the one in red shirt. Which is your boy? The one in red shirt is my boy. Last one. This is Ravi's car. Whose car is this? This is Ravi's car. Another form is interrogative adverbs, and they are where, when, why, and how. Example, we reached America. Where did we reach? America. Second, the monsoon starts in June. When does the monsoon start? It starts in June. Third, I went there to meet James. Why did I go there? To meet James. And fourth, this bridge is 50 feet long. How long is the bridge? Or how long is this bridge? This bridge is 50 feet long. So we have WH questions as interrogative pronouns and interrogative adverbs. And whenever we have an underlined word or group of words and we are asked to frame a WH question, we have to first understand whether it is talking about uh, the place or whether it is talking about a noun, and only then we will be able to apply proper interrogative adverb or interrogative pronoun. And then when we frame a question, the underlined part should be our answer. Let us try out these few questions here. Frame WH questions to get the underlined part as answer. First, he launched an independent partnership. Yes, you're right. The answer will be what did he launch? An independent partnership. Next, 20 billion messages are sent every month worldwide. Yes, your question will be, how many messages are sent every month worldwide? To which you will get the answer as 20 billion. Third, these are John's books. Yes, the question is, whose books are these? These are John's books. Fourth, I am going to the park. Correct. The question is, where am I going? I am going to the park. Or you can also ask, where are you going? To which the answer will be, I am going to the park. Fifth, they were punished because they were late. Correct. Your question will be, why were they punished? Because they were late. Let us now move on to the next subtopic, the removal or addition of to. There are 5 rules that we need to keep in mind when we are applying to in the sentence. We have to understand the structure of the sentence first. Rule number 1. If the structure of a sentence is subject plus verb plus to plus adjective or adverb plus infinitive plus rest of the sentence, then when we are asked to remove to, our structure will be subject plus verb. We have to remove to and write so at that place. Third step is use the adjective or adverb. Fourth step, use that. When we add so instead of to, we also add that along with it. Step 5, use pronoun according to the subject. Step 6, use can, can't, cannot, could not, which is according to the tense of the sentence. And step 7 is remove to and then rest of the part of the sentence. Okay, wherever there is to, we also have to in the sentence. And when we remove both, we add a so and that. So the pattern will be subject plus verb plus so plus adjective or adverb plus that plus pronoun according to the subject plus can, can't, couldn't, could not, that is also according to the tense, plus rest of the sentence. Example, he is too good to beat a boy. And the answer will be, he is so good that he cannot beat a boy. Next, he is too cold to go out. It is too cold to go out of the mansion. The solution is, it is so cold that we cannot go out of the mansion. Rule number 2. If the structure of the sentence is subject plus verb plus to plus adjective plus for plus noun, then the conversion will be step 1, subject plus verb. Step 2, remove to and write so at that place. Step 3, use the adjective. Step 4, use that. Step 5, use pronoun according to the subject. Step 6, use can, cannot, can't, could not, which is according to the tense of the sentence. Step 8, remove to and then rest of the part of the sentence. So the pattern will be subject plus verb plus so plus adjective plus that plus pronoun according to the subject plus can, can't, couldn't, could not plus be plus rest of the sentence. For example, he is too dull for a work. Solution, he is so dull that he cannot be a worker. Rule number 3. If the structure of a sentence is subject plus verb plus to plus adjective plus for plus pronoun objective case. Then the conversion pattern will be subject plus verb plus so plus adjective plus that plus pronoun nominative case plus can, can't, couldn't, could not plus any verb that is suitable. For example, the night is very cold for me, and the solution will be the night is so cold that I cannot bear it. Okay, so nominative case is where you are adding the solution, that is you cannot bear it. Okay, objective case was it is just said that the night is very cold for you, which indirectly means that it is so cold that you cannot bear it. Rule number 4: if the structure of a sentence is subject plus verb plus to plus adjective or adverb, the conversion will be step 1: subject plus verb, step 2: remove to and write so at that place, step 3: use adjective in comparative form, step 4: use than instead of that, and step 5 is use should or should be plus adjective or it is proper, it was proper. For example, Veena runs too weak. Solution: Veena is weaker than it is proper. Actually, this is very rare kind of a sentence or very rare kind of formation. But whenever you have this kind of transformations, you can use the following steps. And the last rule, rule number 5. Two sentences are joined using to plus to. Example: the news is very vulgar. It cannot be broadcasted. The solution will be the news is too vulgar to be broadcasted. Second, he was very ill. He cannot go to the college today. Solution: he is too ill to go to the college today. All the 5 rules are talking about the removal of to and addition of so and that. But when we are told to add to, the sequence will be vice versa. Let us now try out this following sentences. Question number 1. Rewrite the following sentences adding the adverb to. First, I am so busy that I cannot attend the marriage ceremony. Correct. The answer is I am too busy to attend the marriage ceremony. Next, the passage is so difficult that I cannot understand. Your answer will be the passage is too difficult for me to understand. Third, the box is so heavy that I can't lift it. Your answer will be the box is too heavy for me to lift. One observation you can have here is that whenever there is cannot or can't, okay, that means a negative form is there in the question given, your answer will be in positive. Question number 2. Rewrite the following sentences removing the adverb to. First, he is too old to run the race. The answer will be he is so old that he cannot run the race. Second, she is too proud to apologize. Correct. Your answer is she is so proud that she cannot apologize. Third, Mohan is too strong for me to be defeated. Your answer will be Mohan is so strong that I cannot defeat him. The next subtopic is either or. neither nor, not only but also. All of these are correlative conjunctions, so I have put them together. However, either or and neither nor goes hand in hand, so let us look at it first. Either or. It is a choice that we make between two things, and neither nor is that we make no choice between two things, or there is no option between two. Let us look at the difference between two. Either is used in the affirmative sense when you are presenting possibilities that are both valid or true. Example, you can choose either cereal or toast for your breakfast. So you're giving two possible choices which are true, which are valid. Okay, this is an affirmative sense. So we use either and or. Let us look at neither nor. Neither is used in the negative sense when you're presenting things that aren't true or valid. For example, my friend's car is neither green nor brown. This sentence shows that both the options given here, green and brown, are not valid. They are not true. So when both the possibilities or both the choices that are given are not applicable, then we use neither and nor. Examples of either or are: you can either call me at home or the office. Second, either mom or dad will come to pick you up. Third, they don't have enough time. They can either have breakfast or have a shower. In all the three sentences here, you can see that there are two positive choices given, two options given, which are true, and you can choose between any one, or you can have possibility of any one. Examples of neither nor. Neither the blue one nor the red is available in size 4. I will neither call you nor send you a message before midday. Neither the employees nor the boss was at work. Here, in all these three sentences, you see that both the options, both the choices are not applicable, are not available. So, in these cases, we use the correlative conjunctions neither nor. Exercise. Add either or, neither nor at appropriate places. First, maybe the doctor will help you. Maybe the nurse will help you. The answer will be either the doctor or the nurse will help you. Second, the store owner isn't here today. The store manager isn't here today. The answer will be neither the store owner nor the store manager is here today. Third, I'm not watching the movie on TV. I'm not watching the movie on my laptop. The answer is I'm neither watching the movie on TV nor on my laptop. Fourth, maybe my mom will be home. Maybe my sister will be home. And the answer is either my mom or my sister will be home. The last subtopic that we are doing today is not only but also. Structures of not only but also. First case, subject plus verb plus not only plus adverb plus but also plus adverb. Example, she speaks English not only naturally but also fluently. Second example, Mark works not only carefully but also effectively. Second case, subject plus verb plus not only plus adjective plus but also plus adjective. Example, he is not only kind but also handsome. Second example, he is not only short but also fat. Third case, subject plus not only plus verb plus but also plus verb. Example, she not only study hard but also plays hard. Second example, they not only speak Korean but also speak Chinese. Fourth case, subject plus verb plus not only plus noun plus but also plus noun. Example, I like not only ice cream but also yogurt. Second example, they visited not only Singapore but also India. One important observation I want you all to have is in three cases where we have adverb, adjective, and noun, the verb is always followed after the subject. Okay, first we have the subject, the verb, and then not only. But only when we have a verb in the sentence or the sentence is talking about a verb, only then do we use not only after the subject. Exercise. First one, they need food and medicine. The answer is they need not only food but also medicine. Second, in winter the days are short, cold and dark. The answer will be in winter the days are not only short, cold but also dark. The answer can also be in winter the days are not only short and cold but also dark. Third, she writes plays for television and acts in movies. The answer will be she not only writes plays for television but also acts in movies because this sentence talks about verbs or action. Fourth, he can make people laugh. He can make people cry. The answer is he can not only make people laugh but also cry. Fifth, we visit our grandfather's house in summer and in winter. The answer is we visit our grandfather's house not only in summer but also in winter. I hope you understood all the topics. Thank you.